Want to become a high-demand automation tester with Python? At Ecorporate Trainings, our software testing with Python Selenium course takes you from the fundamentals to advanced automation with real-world skills that employers are looking for. Start with a strong base in software testing fundamentals and manual testing mastery, covering test planning, STLC, and defect tracking. Then build your coding skills with Python for test automation, followed by hands-on UI automation using Selenium and Python. You'll also dive into API and database testing to validate back-end systems, and complete your journey with advanced automation frameworks and DevOps integration, using tools like Git, Jenkins, and reporting systems. With practical projects, expert mentorship, and a certificate to prove your expertise, you'll be fully prepared for top QA automation roles. Ready to advance your testing career? Enroll now at Ecorporate Trainings.